which the rice fields grow. Now roads run where roots go. The soil feels thin and warm, a sacred shade is torn. Roots in the rain, roots in the rain, holding the earth through loss and pain. Lovely and dark, they stood so deep. Promises the land must keep. My eyes still search the sky for crowns that once stood high, where birds would rest at noon and rivers hum their tune. If balance slips away, what will the children say? Roots in the rain, roots in the rain, holding the earth through loss and pain. Lovely and dark, they stood so deep. Promises the land must keep. If we forget the green, what will this island need? Concrete may rise tall, but silence haunts us all. Roots in the rain, roots in the rain. Oh, still they are calling out our name. Miles to go before we sleep. Miles of earth we have to keep before the roots let go.